Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to edit PDFs using Kofax Power PDF. To begin, simply open your desired PDF document within the Kofax application. Once open, you'll see a user-friendly interface designed for easy navigation. You can then select the Edit Text tool from the toolbar to start modifying existing text. This initial step is crucial for making quick adjustments to your document's content, allowing you to correct errors or update information efficiently. Now, let's dive into modifying text and images. With the Edit Text tool active, you can click directly on any text block to change its content, font style, size, or color. To add new text, simply select the Typewriter tool. For images, click on the Edit Object tool. This allows you to easily resize, move, or even delete pictures and other graphical elements, giving you complete control over your document's visual layout and presentation. Moving on to more advanced features, Kofax Power PDF offers robust annotation tools. You can add comments, highlight important sections, or draw shapes to emphasize specific areas. For sensitive information, the redaction tool allows you to permanently black out text or images, ensuring privacy and compliance. Furthermore, you can combine several PDF files into one cohesive document or split a large PDF into multiple smaller ones, providing flexibility for document management. Finally, after making all your edits, it's time to save and share your work. You can save your modified PDF in its original format or export it to other popular file types, such as Microsoft Word or Excel, with just a few clicks. For added security, Kofax allows you to protect your document with a password, restricting access, or editing permissions. This ensures your information remains secure and your document is ready for distribution, whether digitally or in print.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.